If you have not heard about YouTube's brand new player for education payment module, then you are on a long thing. It's a game changer for creators, especially if you make educational or tutorial content. Now in this video, I'm not just going to introduce a player for education module, but I'm also going to break down exactly what it is, how the payment works, and what it means for YouTube earnings in 2025/2026 and beyond. So let's get started. So what exactly is Player for Education? Well, the Player for Education, or PF Edu, is a special YouTube player designed for schools, universities, and ed tech platforms. So here's the cool part. Students can watch YouTube videos in a distraction-free, ads-free environment. No ads popping up, just pure learning. But if there are no ads, then how do creators get paid? That is where the payment redemption module comes in. This is how the payment works. YouTube collects license fees from schools and education platforms that use PF Edu. From these fees, they create what's called the PF Edu payment pool. So this has been around for some time. Until December 31st, 2024, creators get paid from 100% of those license fees. Starting January 1st, 2025, creators started earning from 55% of those fees. Now, what this simply means is this started in 2024, December 31st to be precise, whereby creators were getting 100% of these license fees that YouTube collects from these schools or universities. And as at January this year, 2025, and our creators began to earn 55% of those fees. Now, your actual share depends on how much watch time your video gets inside PF Edu. Now, compared to other creators' content. So the more classroom watch time your content rack up, the bigger your share of the pool. That is how it works. But then again, it has some limitations and there are some few things to know. All right. First is that payments aren't guaranteed and may change every month. Yes, it's not a guarantee. And for example, you make, let's say, $5,000 this month. The next month you might make, let's say, $3,000 or $2,800. So you don't earn for views that happened before you accepted the module. Okay, so for example, they're not going to pay you for views that you had before you accepted the module. Another thing to consider is that your videos must have embedding enabled in settings to qualify. And then YouTube can introduce or even remove PF Edu fees in the future. Yes, it's not a guarantee. Most times they add these features just to test, and then when things don't work the way they expect, they scrap it. So, you know that. And if they do that, it's going to lower your payout in the future. So, yeah, of course, you go back to the ads form of payment, but at least this is here for now. PF Edu is here for now. Anybody who want to take advantage of it, enjoy it. I have it enabled on one of my channels and it's really doing good. As a matter of fact, I was able to pay my rent and sponsor my wife to start doing her master's from this module. But then again, some people might ask, why does this matter for creators? If you make, and I will say this, if you make educational or tutorial videos, PF Edu could put your content directly in front of students and institutions worldwide. Now, this is a whole level of exposure to a whole new audience. if you make educational or tutorial videos, plus even though ads are running, you still get compensated for your contribution to education. Doesn't that sound fantastic? Or just like my people will say, fantabulous? To sum this up, before I show you how to enable PF Edu on your channel, YouTube's Player for Education payment module is an ads-free way for students to learn and for creators to still earn. If you are in the education niche, make sure you enable embedding and consider opting into the module. It could open up new opportunities for your channel. Now let me show you how to get this enabled. To enable the Player for Education module, what you have to do is log into your YouTube channel and go to the YouTube studio. You make sure you're in YouTube studio. Now this is YouTube. Once you're there, you click on here. You see this logo. Okay, your channel's logo. Click on it, and then you see YouTube studio. Click on that. And once you're here, you want to click on N, and then you can see YouTube on this menu here. You can see this module, Player for Education. Click on it, and then click turn on, and then make sure you read the terms and of agreement or terms and condition. And then once you're satisfied, just click on accept. Okay, like I said, I'm using this on my other channel, which is strictly an educational channel. Of course, this is an educational channel as well, but that is tailored specifically for education, for schools. Now once you do that, you're good. I mean, it's good to know that YouTube is also trying to, bring up programs that will help creators earn more, because YouTube has become, a career for most people, and it's really helping people around the world, live a fulfilled life. So yeah, go ahead, try it. You can always turn it on, by the way. Try it. If you don't want it anymore, go ahead and opt out, and it won't cost you anything. As for me, like I said, I was able to pay a rent, okay, my house rent, and sponsor my wife to start her master's degree. Please, if this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. And do you think this module PF Edu will be a big win for creators, or just another experiment? Let's talk about it in the comment section. And yeah, thank you guys, and bye.